Are you wondering what exactly is a Wi-Fi repeater, what does it do, and do you actually maybe need one? So it's actually a very simple device that can be incredibly useful if you essentially struggle with very poor connection in your home. For example, let's say this over here is your Wi-Fi router box essentially, so from your provider, or also maybe you are simply using your phone as a hotspot connection, and you simply want to basically use internet also from your phone using hotspot. So for example, if this is your device you are trying to connect to this router and you are simply very far away in your home from it, and your either phone or PC can't simply reach your Wi-Fi router, this can simply help basically reach it by, so what you would do is you would simply place this somewhere in the middle of your home essentially, and then instead of your phone, for example, taking the internet connection directly from your Wi-Fi router, your phone would connect to this Wi-Fi repeater and ask the Wi-Fi repeater to get the signal from your Wi-Fi router. So the Wi-Fi router would send over the signal on this one and then extend it further to this one. Essentially, you can pretty much like almost double your Wi-Fi coverage. Also, for example, if you have very thick walls in your home as well, so if you live in some very old English home, for example, which have incredibly thick walls, again, this also can be very useful. And you can also, by the way, even use the couple of these units in your home as well to basically provide a very good coverage. Also, for example, in my case, I basically have like 2 buildings on my property, but my Wi-Fi router is obviously in one house, but to get the internet connection to other one, so again, it simply doesn't reach basically on its own, so I can't get internet there. So what I do is simply take this repeater here, put it basically plugged in in any socket in my home, basically on the pretty much like the border essentially, so where it's in the middle between one house and the other house, and then basically it's passing the signal over to the other house, so I can actually get internet connection in the other house using this simple device. So also what's absolutely cool, they are incredibly inexpensive. So personally, I purchased mine from AliExpress and I paid literally like $3 for mine with free shipping. So I'll leave links where you can also get it for a similar price, and that also again is with free shipping for this price. It's absolutely ridiculously cool. And so how do you actually set up? So it's very easy. So you can either set up like using a computer, a phone, or also as you see, you have this WPS option here on this Wi-Fi repeater itself. So if we check the manual, so as you see, this is how you set it up. So you simply find the WPS button on your main router, so the Wi-Fi router box, press and hold it, and also press and hold this button here on this device, and they will instantly like connect. And when you basically open some Wi-Fi settings, for example, on your phone, you should see a new Wi-Fi network appear basically from this, and then you can connect to this one essentially. And again, it will route the traffic basically through this device and essentially double your range, boost the range. Also, obviously, this can also be used to even improve your internet connection speed as well. If again, your phone is maybe or device is on the edge of receiving that connection, and if you have like very poor signal, maybe like only like 1 bar basically of Wi-Fi coverage, so again, if you have only like 1 bar, again, it won't give you obviously the best speeds. But if you repeat using this wireless Wi-Fi repeater, again, you will have like full coverage, again, better ping also, like the response times, and also better connection speeds as well, which is absolutely awesome. So and if you want to set up using a phone or PC, so let me show you how to do that and how to configure it. So once it's booted up, once it's like this, you simply have to go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone. So either Android or also iPhones also works with all. So you see it creates this new Wi-Fi network. So we click on it simply. And so it kind of will open up like a web portal for you. But since I already had it, so I have to actually go to this IP address over here. So on the back of this repeater, you see you have IP address printed here. So you see 192.168.111. So as you see, I would simply enter this address in my browser, in web browser, and it opens up this settings page. So for example, I can click over here. By the way, these repeaters have like older versions as well, and the web page might look slightly different. Also, the older ones required username and password as well. So if it asks for one, enter admin in both fields, and then yeah, it will connect. So you see over here, if you click, for example, so it's going to search for all the Wi-Fi networks in my area. So, and I would simply click on my Wi-Fi network, so on my main Wi-Fi network, and enter its password here. So this device can even connect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, next, and finish. It might take some further 20 or 30 seconds to finish setting up, so simply wait a bit. And then, for example, let's see, for example, if I open my Wi-Fi settings on my PC, I see I have a new network here appear, so I can join it. And now it's essentially connecting to this Wi-Fi repeater. And you see it's working. So basically the connection is like this now. So I'm actually using my phone as a hotspot to take internet from. So essentially, instead of my PC connecting directly to my phone to take the hotspot from, again, it's connecting to the repeater, and the repeater is asking for connection from this phone. And again, phone is sending back to this repeater, and this repeater is sending back to my laptop. So again, essentially, I can almost double my range using this setup. And again, if you want to set up on a PC instead of a phone as well, so simply enter the IP address, and you see you have exactly the same setup screen where you can set up and configure just as you need. And overall, is this repeater actually worth it, and should you maybe get one or even several? So yep, if you are struggling basically with Wi-Fi coverage in your home, again, this is the number one thing that you can do. And again, literally for like $3 or $4 if you follow those special discount links I'll leave in the description. So it does the job absolutely perfect. So yeah, absolutely cool. However, if you are wondering if you can simply use this as some kind of like Wi-Fi speed booster, so if you actually do not have any like coverage problems in your home, you simply have like poor connection speed, so and you do not know what's actually causing it, then this won't really help you in any way essentially. So again, this is like a range booster essentially. So its main purpose is to simply extend the range of your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi speed is very low, or also like not very reliable, so it's like drops all the time, it can't properly connect due to the basically your device simply being way too far away from your Wi-Fi router, then yep, it can obviously help. But again, if your device is already very close to your Wi-Fi router, and if your coverage, for example, is absolutely perfect, you see maybe like full bars for your Wi-Fi router, again, it won't really help you in any way. In fact, it might even make your internet a bit slower, since obviously there is maybe like I don't know, maybe like extra millisecond for this extra step basically in the process. So again, your device again isn't connecting directly to your router, it's going through this unit again. So we have extra layer, which obviously might introduce like extra tiny delay, like I don't know how many milliseconds, but yeah, that is tiny bit more delay. So again, main purpose again to simply extend the range of your Wi-Fi network in your home. Also again, if you have like very thick walls, again, this can also help with that massively. So yeah, check those links if you also want to get it for the cheapest price. Good luck.